So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about plant hormones. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you'll get a free biology exam revision question. So, plants do not just grow randomly. Plant hormones make sure that they grow in the right direction. Auxin is a plant hormone that controls growth near the tip of shoots and roots. It controls the growth of a plant in response to light, that is phototropism, and gravity, that is geotropism or gravitropism. So auxin is produced in the tips and moves backwards to stimulate the cell elongation process, which occurs in the cells just behind the tips. If the tip of a shoot is removed, no auxin is available and the shoot may stop growing. So extra auxins promote growth in the shoot but inhibits growth in the roots, producing desired results. So let's look at how shoots grow towards the light. When a shoot tip is exposed to light, more auxins accumulate on the side that is in the shade than the side that is in the light. This makes the cells grow faster on the shaded side, so the shoot bends towards the light. Shoots also grow away from gravity and roots grow towards gravity. When a shoot is growing sideways, gravity produces an unequal distribution of auxin in the tip, with more auxin in the lower side. This causes the lower side to grow faster, bending the shoot upwards. So, a root growing sideways will have more auxin on the lower side, but in a root, the extra auxins inhibits growth. So this means the cells on the tip elongates faster and the growth bends downwards. So plant hormones can be extracted or artificial copies can as well be made. They can then be used to do all kinds of useful things, including killing weeds, growing cuttings, and ripening fruits. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.